What's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing on Facebook for beginners and what they don't teach you in most of the videos that you probably already watched here on the platform. Alright, now if you haven't yet already subscribed, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and also tick that bell icon if you want to learn how to build a long sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. All right, so with that being said, we're going to jump right into today's content. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start off with the results so that you can see that, what I'm going to be showing you here in this video is actually going to work for you as long as you actually implement what you're seeing here today. So go ahead and limit any distractions, that you got going around. Take some notes. Maybe if you got to watch this video over again, definitely pay close attention. Alright, so let's go over here and go straight to the results. Now, for the month of June, today is June 6th. We're in the month of June. You can see that it says $708.30. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and tail back, right, from when I first got started to show you how consistent with me, what I'm going to teach you in this video is if you only implement it, then you can actually get the results, okay? So I'm going to take it all the way back to November when I first got started. All right, so you're going to see it's going to be small and it's going to gradually go up. All right, so as you can see in the month of November, it was $50. Then in the month of December, you're going to see what the revenue was. It was $636. Then in the month of January, right, you're going to see it bump up once again gradually. So from $636 to $1,627.90. Now let's go to the month of February. All right, so for the month of February, it was $1,982.94. Now let's go to the month of March. All right, so in the month of March, it was $2,515.03. Now let's go to the month of April. All right, so you can see it's $2,038.30. That was in the month of April. So as you can see that it went from 25 back to 2,000. Now watch what happens in the month of May. This is all transparency, guys. I want you to see. Your income is going to go up and sometimes it's going to go down. This is just me showing you straight up truthful stuff. All right, so May 2019. It went from $2,038.30 to $1,948. I mean, not 48 cents. Sorry, $1,948.04. That was for the month of May, and now we're going right back to the month of June, which is what we're in now. And as you can see, 6 days in, it's at $708.30. And as you can see, I had 2 new customers within the first 6 days. That's what this actually stands for. So if I don't have any sales in the month, then you won't see a number right here. So every sale is worth 1%. So up to 5%. So if I had 1 sale, it would have been 1%. Since I have 2 sales so far, that's 2% right there. All right, so those are the results, guys. And just to go ahead and point this out, this is revenue, okay? This is what this amount of revenue actually earns you. So far, collectively, I did just about, what is that? Roughly, when the last time I did an update, it was about $10,400. So right now it's probably like $10,600 or $10,700 in revenue, and still at roughly about $4,400 in actual profit. All right, just because this is affiliate marketing and they do pay you a percentage of the earnings. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you over to Facebook and we're going to actually get into this, right? What are the 4 important things that you need to set up right now before you do any type of marketing, before you do any type of outreach campaign, which I'm going to show you a little bit later in the video? You got to get these 4 things right. All right, so first things first is the Facebook cover. So as you can see already, it showcases my name. It showcases what I am. So I'm an entrepreneur, a video marketer, and a servant leader of God, okay? And then you see a picture of me. You see a nice visual on the back. And notice I didn't do this myself, right? I paid somebody to actually do this for me instead of me trying to do it myself, and then it wouldn't have turned out look to have the professional look, right? Don't do it yourself. I highly recommend you use Fiverr.com. Go out there and get you a nice cover done. Or if you want to spend even more money on it, go ahead and do it. At least it'll be set up so when people come to your actual page, they see that you're about your business, right? That's what this does. This is kind of pretty much a part of your whole branding, all right? All right, and another little bonus thing that I do is instead of just having this here, I went ahead and added a story, okay? So this is a pretty long story. This is more tailored from where I was in 2014 when I was struggling to now in 2019 going into 2020 where I pretty much have multiple breakthroughs, right? And I take people through that journey in this particular post because that's what it was turned into. All right, so as you can see, that had 72 interactions, 36 comments. So if we go down here, there's multiple people that have commented. There were new friends who I did outreach campaigns. They came in, they saw my particular photo, they made a comment. So what did I do? Right? Their first impression is someone who has a nice Facebook cover and multiple people are interacting with my stuff. So what does that do? That helps to change their state. So basically, I'm building rapport without even speaking to them. Right? Now let's actually get into the actual the remaining things that are going to be important. All right, so we had the Facebook cover. Now we have the profile picture. Okay, so you want to have a picture of you there. So it can either be like a close face up, like a close face up shot. So where you have it just your face, or you can have it like mine's, right? You can have it to where it's pretty much the upper torso, right? And it's a nice picture of you. You want it to look somewhat professional, so people are gonna take you serious. All right, so let's go to the next thing, which is the intro. As you can see, proud leader, proud father, home-based business owner, helping everyday people create freedom. Now, the next thing and the final thing is gonna be this little section right here. So they give you a section and I used to have where I had multiple pictures right here, but now I just have this right here. So it says, welcome to my page. Don't miss out on big updates. Add as a friend as well as follow and set to see first. So I'm telling people, follow me if you want to be updated. So as you can see, I have 733 followers. So it's definitely working having that right there. All right, so let's get into the actual content that you got to post to attract these people. All right, so here we go. As you can see, I just made a post that was 2 hours ago. Nothing crazy, right? But we have people already commenting, right? And what you also want to do, okay, and I'll get to these comments after I record this video. Another thing you want to do is you want to show people that you're actually getting results. So here we go. Congratulations, right? This person just joined the team 14 hours ago. All right, another thing, right? So let's scroll down even more. So this right here, this was kind of just like something different, right? Of something that was trending. It was a movie called When They See Us. So I said something about it, right? And as you can see, it got, some pretty good engagement and 31 comments. Let's continue to go down. In order for you to attract and receive, you need to feel worthy and believe. That got 75 interactions, 8 shares, right? So what's happening? I'm changing people's state, right? When somebody shared, that means their state was changed, right? When they're commenting, when they're liking, these are state changes, right? This is how you build rapport without even speaking to anybody, right? So when you actually do reach out, they're going to already feel like they know you, all right? So let's continue to go down. All right, so your vision is more important than your reality, right? You can see that got pretty much 40 interactions. Now, another thing, what I want to do is I'm going to have my name up here and I'm going to put comment. All right, so these are going to be business posts that I actually made. So I actually want to show you one post where I had over 400 and something comments, right? And I actually made quite a bit of money from that particular post. All right, so here we go. This is one example of a post that I made. All right, so I'm teaching how to get free cell phone service for the first 10 people not in a contract with their phone comment your phone provider below. So as you can see, 13 comments right there for people asking for information. Now let's go to the post that I had over 426 comments. All right, so I'm putting your business on FB, Instagram, YouTube, CNN, Forbes, anywhere for the first 1,000 people that comment their business. So you can see pretty much about 80 to 81 interactions and 426 people asking for information. All right, let's continue. I just kind of want to give you an idea of the posts that I create, create that curiosity for people, and then they reach out for more information. And then that's when I go into building rapport even more, asking qualified questions, finding out what their problem is, and helping them solve it with whatever it is that I'm providing them. All right, so that's pretty much the process that you're taking people through. So let me just kind of run you through it once more. Okay, so here we go. Facebook cover. You're also going to worry about the profile pic. Make sure it's nice. Also the intro, right? Put a quick bio, maybe what it is that you do, or something like mine, right? You can do something similar. Maybe you're a proud mother, right? Proud leader, proud mother, whatever it is that you are. You want to set that up, and you want to make sure it's pretty legit. All right. Now, the next thing, like I said, the last thing, which is to add this so that people will automatically follow you. And anytime you post, they're going to see it, right? So make sure these 4 things are vital, guys. Make sure you understand that. All right. So let's go ahead and continue down. You want to make inspirational posts, comical posts, trivia. You want to share your success. You want to share your team's success. And also you want to do inspirational posts. So these are things that are going to be vital for you to attract the right type of people that are going to be willing to buy from you. But you also have to learn the art of connection, which is the most important part of it all. Because yes, you can do inspirational posts, trivia, share your success, and all this other stuff. But if you don't learn how to connect with people, I don't mean pitch them, right? Because connecting is like casual conversation. So basically what you're doing with connecting is you're building rapport, asking qualifying questions, and finding out what their problem is and solving it. That is what you call the art of connection. All right, so hopefully you got some value from this video. Hopefully this is going to help you get out there and actually start making more consistent money, because this just flat out works, guys. I just kind of walked you through all of the income month to month, and it's continuing to work just like that. All right. So with that being said, if you got some value, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to learn what I'm using right now to earn income online, go ahead and click the first link in the description. It's going to take you right over to my #1 recommended way to make money on the internet right now. All right. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you on the next video, my friend. Peace.